Last week, I got a call from a guy who got a job in Germany from India. After a very basic discussion about his profile, after having a basic introduction with him, he said to me, he contacted me, he reached out to me to have more clarity on the salary he has been offered by the German employer. Also, considering the kind of very high salary he is currently getting in India. So he wanted my suggestion whether he should really move to Germany or not. So not just based on the salary or maybe some other factors that might impact his move or that might be relevant for his move to Germany. Hi guys, this is Sandeep Khera and you're watching Conical Education. Before we proceed further, let me remind you to subscribe below and enable the bell notifications to not miss any updates on this channel. You can also follow me on my social media pages. Links for all of them are given in the description below. Let's dive into today's video. To know more, I asked him, what's your current salary in India? And the amount he quoted was really high, was exceptionally high for a full stack developer in India. And I'm quite sure he must be saving very high amount month on month. So his question was definitely genuine. His question was definitely valid to ask whether he should move to Germany or not. Before answering his question, I asked him another question. What is your priority? Whether salary, lifestyle, education for the kids, lifestyle for family, or travel across Europe? He said definitely lifestyle, education, and travel are the priority, and it's a great opportunity. But he said that as I am getting so good salary, so salary can also be one of the critical factor which cannot be ignored. I clearly told him you have been offered a very good salary in Germany, but you are also getting very high salary in India. So don't forget that you are not going to save much higher than what you are currently saving in India. So that's a really critical point for you to consider. Additionally, you must also consider following 4 points if you join the German employer. Number 1, you are making an international switch. So salary can take the back seat for now. Number 2, you can move successfully now, settle here and think about the growth in coming years. Number 3, as you will move, you will definitely get the lifestyle, education and travel opportunities all across Europe. Number 4, eventually your wife will also start working here. So if you think about saving the money, saving the salary, you can save all your wife's salary and you will be far better in terms of saving the money when you compare it with your current savings in India in the long term. So finally, in the end, I suggested to him, once you move here, once you settle down, you work for some time, then your employer will have some trust on you. And so you can ask for the internal growth, or you can look for the external move based on your skills, based on the salary you aspire for. My only lesson for you guys from this chat is that when I talk to so many of you over call or over emails, you have a genuine concern that the kind of salary you are being offered, considering you are not in Germany, is comparatively low and you are already earning quite high in India or in your home country. I totally get that your concern is definitely valid. But let me tell you one point. At this moment, you must not give priority to the target salary. Definitely you have some target figure in your mind which you want to have and you want to join the employer at that salary. But you must also consider that you don't have the local experience, which is really critical for the employer to value. And once you have that local experience after you move in here, then employer will know, you will prove to the employer, okay, you are the capable person. Then you will automatically get that growth, you will automatically get that targeted salary, so that will not be a big issue. And also I have already mentioned in the chat that you are getting all the things from the day one. Education for your kids, lifestyle, travel opportunities across Europe, good health system and many more facilities. So don't worry, you will be definitely fine in the long run. You can definitely consider to move based on the decent salary what employer is offering. But in the last, I still want to mention one point which is very important, is that it doesn't mean that you go for the lowest possible salary. You definitely quote the decent amount of salary to the employer, negotiate with the employer and accordingly accept the offer and move here. This is all I have in today's video. Give a thumbs up and comment below. Share with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Have a good day.